Hey everyone, this is Jason with EBSCO. I want to talk to you about our on-site essential production reliability services. For certain facilities, EBSCO is providing a full-time on-site reliability resource to help predict and prevent equipment failure during this time of need. The idea behind this system is simple. We want to help make sure that production facilities with critical output are running properly. That includes plastics, food manufacturing, medical devices. And our goal is, with industrial facilities running at 100% capacity right now, we want to help maintain their production. And that might be through recognizing failure before it happens, making sure we have the proper spare equipment in place, and some other tools that we've used in the past for industrial facilities. What we will do is we will put an engineer at your facility full time to be monitoring equipment and also helping with the electrical safety side of things in preventing equipment failure. We understand the importance of production at these mission critical facilities, and we want to support and serve our clients and the U.S. the best we can right now, and that'll be with helping with production staying reliable and continuous through this time. We understand how critical production needs to remain running at this time, and we understand that a lot of your facility is going to be running at 100% capacity, so we're here to help serve you at that time. If you have any questions, we'd love to answer them. Feel free to call 651-433-4550, select option 5. Thank you and stay safe out there.
EBSCO, Electrical Power and Safety Company. Safety, diligence, collaboration.